Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Sibongile and the Dlaminis from the 18th to the 20th of November 2024 on Monday. It's harder than Vuma thought to get rid of Gwenzo, who is trying very hard to be charming. Khuzwayo and Phetheni realize they have something in common. Njengaye plans a holiday to encourage Themba and Wenzeni to bond on Tuesday. Villephi stumbles upon a juicy piece of information which makes her warm up to Sibongile. Gcina gets fed up with Vusi's attempt to woo her. Meanwhile, Thulisile is in for some disappointment on Wednesday. Njengaye and Nomfundo share an eyebrow-raising moment. Elsewhere, Vuma shares with his children the plan to marry Samge, while Khuzwayo reads from Heart. Vusi's big moment to woo Gcina falls flat. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.